Hi, beautiful Glina artistic family. It is your paint mentor, Coach Glina. So, do you know that not all matte paint are the same? Yes, there are different types of matte paint, and using the wrong one on the wrong wall can ruin your work. Perfect, and cost you your client. You understand? So let's fix that now, as in today. I'm breaking down the different types of matte paint, where to use them, and why every serious paint manufacturer out there and decorator must know how to produce and apply them properly. So now, what is matte paint? Because a lot of us don't even know what matte paint is all about. You understand? So matte paint is one of the most popular finishes in the market, especially for interior space. It is soft, elegant, and hides wall imperfection beautifully. You understand? But not all matte paints are created equally. That is why they confuse beginners for many, you understand? They confuse beginners for many beginners in the paint business. So let me quickly break down the three major types of matte paint and why knowing the differences is the secret to your success when it comes to matte paint production. Number one, there is what is called the normal matte paint, which basically every most manufacturer knows this. It's basic, low shine, economical, mostly used for ceilings and low traffic wall, not washable, not moisture resistant, but perfect for price sensitivity projects. And most people think this is emulsion paint. Two, vinylene matte paint. This particular paint contains vinylene acrylic binder for more durability. It is wipeable, more resistant to moisture, and it is used in living rooms, bedroom, and hallways. And then we have the top, the other patakpata of them all, which is the matte eggshell paint. Slightly shine, almost velvet finishing. It is highly durable and washable, ideal for staircases, high traffic walls, and commercial interior or exterior walls. Perfect for exterior walls. If you are offering just one kind of matte paint to all your customers, you are limiting your profit, reducing your customer satisfaction, and risking your product to failure. You understand? So let's go further with the types of matte paint you use for interior walls. Is not the same as the one you use for exterior walls. Yes, the interior matte paint, you must focus on smoothness, easy application, and suitable with elegances, if you know what I'm talking about. But the exterior matte paint must resist UV rays, rain, mold, and peeling. That means you will need special additives like your UV absorber, hails, exterior biocide, and more. Now, using the wrong type of matte paint or skipping the right chemical can lead to peeling, cracking, or even color fading within a week, and your customer will be so mad with you. And when that happens, guess what? The customer doesn't blame the wall, they blame your product. Yes, and you have to pay the price dearly. So that is why I created a special guide, my advanced matte paint production ebook, made for serious paintpreneur who wants to produce high quality matte paint that customers will love, because your customer is your satisfaction and you learn from them. So inside this ebook, you will learn one, the difference between producing normal matte paint, vinyl matte paint, and matte eggshell paint the right way. You heard me. Two, how to formulate interior and exterior version of each of these type of matte paints to save yourself the problem. Three, what additive to use for UV protective, washable, antifungal, Strength and durability. 4, step-by-step instruction with chemical measurement and production sequencing that a lot of people don't know how to achieve. And the last, how to avoid costly mistakes that affect finishes and adoration, which most people encounter today. Whether you're a new producer, a paint business owner, or a decorator looking to expand, this ebook is your shortcut to mastering matte paint finish the right way, that is going to educate you properly on how to produce this matte paint, not the old way of paint production that we usually do, you understand, which is causing a lot of paint manufacturer problem, but the right way on how your product maintains its durability on the wall after over 4 to 5 years. With this, professional result comes from professional knowledge. Don't guess your way through production. Please take note, a lot of people do this. Don't sell the same matte paint to everyone. Learn the right way and upgrade your paint production skills and build a business that leads. Comment MattExpert below and I will send you the link to download our full guide. Please take note, this ebook is not a free ebook, it is a paid version. Also, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are just joining for the first time, and turn on the notification. And also remember, we don't just create paints, we build power and become a certified paint manufacturer. So for those of you that are not aware, that are just joining us for the first time, you are in the right space on how you are going to build a successful paint manufacturing business from scratch, the right way, with the right chemistry, if you understand. And for those of us that we want to advance our knowledge, or most of us that we want to learn these paint manufacturing skills, you understand, go to the link in description. You are going to see how to reach out with me, or you can see in any of those places that is my contact. You reach out with me to get your free clarity call on how to start a successful paint manufacturing business from scratch with what you can achieve, you understand, basically what you can afford to start this business with. And if you want one-on-one coaching, of course I'm going to put you through on how to build a paint empire from scratch to professionalism. So thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video. Bye for now.